Hi, I'm Rob Williams. This is Fit in 15. We're here at the York JCC with fitness director Kelly Block. We're going to go through some quick band exercises you can incorporate in your everyday routine. Before we start, the main goal, you want to make sure that you have your bands on the arches of your shoes. This is so that the band doesn't pop up and come undone while you're exercising, okay? So what we're going to do with the sunrise is start off with a basic squat, and from our squat, good job, we're going to press overhead. There you go, excellent. And that's our ending point. Wonderful. So the main goal, some things you guys may notice, you want to have your hips back. You want to maintain your balance during your entire squat, and you also want to finish with your hands slightly apart than what they started. And our next exercise is our body weight good morning. Again, before you start, just make sure the band is safely secured on the arches of your shoe. What we're going to do is begin in a standing position, and you just want to bend yourself slightly at the hips all the way until your chest is parallel with the floor. Good job, excellent. And then come on up. You should feel this in your lower back as well as your hamstrings, and you should also feel it a little bit in your calves depending on how far you get down on that stretch. And with this, you want to make sure you get about 3 sets of anywhere from 10 to 15 repetitions. And for our core, we're going to work with a banded resistance crunch. With this, some things that you want to keep in mind is you can attach your band to anything sitting relatively low at home, a table or anything, and you just want to maintain great posture. If you can, about 2 sets of 15 reps. Try to get past that initial set of 15, and if you can work towards a second set of 15, then go for it. For our last exercise, we're going to do an assisted sit-up. Now with this, you want to complete about 2 sets of 15 reps. If you sit down at a desk a lot and you're cramped up a lot, hunched over, this is perfect opportunity to stretch the lumbar portion of your back. You just want to make sure that you get full extension. One of the main things that she's paying attention to is her heel placement. So her heel placement is nice and into the floor. A lot of her pressure is going into the floor. Another thing, when she fully extends, she's also making sure that her hips are fully aligned. So that was Fit in 15 with our resistance band. It's a great practical use for in between errands, getting a chance in between work or anything like that. Just keep in mind that the purpose is to always have great form, and you always want to maintain posture.